sa lahat ng mga post na nakita kong about pagtaas ng gasolina, ito lang i-share ko kasi ang nag-news dyan is si Bilyonaryo News. Bilyonaryo na, nagko-complain pa, nagtaas ng gasolina. Anyway, kidding aside, actually sa sobrang taas ng gasolina, naglakad na lang kami. Eto, early morning walk. So, we just brought Basyang to school kasi anniversary ng Don Bosco. So, we're walking. So, yung hindi pa kami nakakalayo, dito na sa 7-Eleven, bumibili na ng tubig agad si A. So, dito pa lang kami sa intersection ng Rimando so yun na nga, no? Naglakad kami. Actually, nag-exercise kami, no? So kararating lang namin actually galing doon sa Diamond Jubilee ng Don Bosco. And prior to that, kasi may mass doon, so prior to that, naglakad muna kami para form of exercise na rin. So yun yung isa sa mga maganda doon kasi yan ang exercise na free. Pero come to think of it, it is a luxury. Luxury in the sense na you know, the luxury of time na nagagawa mo yan. And if we're going to talk about there nga, what we were wearing, you know, I was actually wearing this shirt which basically says na Jesus paid it all. So the reason why it's called a luxury, you know, because we get to enjoy all those luxury in life, no? The luxury of time, yung luxury of togetherness, the luxury of everything na na-enjoy natin. It's because si Jesus paid for it all, no? Kung hindi sa Kanya, sa pagsalba sa atin, na binayaran niya ng buhay niya, si God mismo, inalay niya yung anak niya para sa ganyan. Diyan mo makikita na He paid it all para sa atin. So we get to enjoy the luxury of life, the luxury of everything that it offers, no? So, speaking of yung fashion for the Christ niya, me wearing this one, compared to the luxury brands, yes, it's cheap, it's way below yung mga ini-expect natin na mga pwede na ano kasi hindi siya yung mga presyohan ng mga mamahalin dyan. But the reason why I'm wearing this or sharing this is because yun nga, it is a form of luxury na kung tutuusin mo. Kasi nga, we get to enjoy the luxury of life, gaya na sabi ko kanina, the luxury of time, the luxury of togetherness, everything na na-enjoy natin. So, I just want to share that actually, to enjoy the luxury of life because Jesus paid it all. No? So, this is the best barcode ever. Na-scan na yan, in-scan na yan at binayaran na ng Diyos para sa ating lahat. So, sana naman suklian natin ng maganda. Sana suklian natin ng kabutihan din. Yung ganyan, no, na hindi kung ano-ano yung mga pinaprioritize natin as far as life is concerned. So, let's not take it for granted as much as let's live life. When we say we live life to the fullest, gawin nating tama para kahit paano masuklian man natin yung ginawang sakripisyo ng Diyos para sa atin para bayaran niya yung mga kasalanan natin for us to be able to enjoy yun nga, these luxuries na tinatawag natin. Well, yun lang naman.